place in this route. Kavach is an anti-collision technology developed in India to prevent train accidents. This system reduces the chance of an error to the margin of a single error in 10,000 years. Had this system been in place in this route, perhaps this tragedy may have been averted. Questions are also being raised about why didn't the railways put this system in this particular route. Perhaps the report of the inquiry to be conducted by the railways might offer answers to these serious questions and lapses.